We serve industries of power, paper, steel, and industrial OEM. Our typical customer is a large industrial client who is a continuous run operation. They have in the steel, power, and industrial OEM and paper industries.
Before Cogent came in, our supervision was just about non-existent. Our productivity as far as getting the jobs through was a mess. There was no organization.
The morale with some of the management was a little hostile. It was a hostile work environment for some of the employees out on the shop floor.
We had tried some things to address those problems. We were not seeing the progress and improvements in those areas that we needed to see.
When Cogent first showed up, we didn't know if there was going to be a real change or not, but it was very shortly after they showed up, there was a dramatic change in the shop for the better.
They did a survey and spent a lot of time talking with the employees, trying to get a sense of what the company was like, what the culture was like, some of our struggles as well as some of our successes. I was very impressed with the overall approach to identify the root causes of some of the issues we were struggling with. The consulting program started with sitting down with the program director and really understanding what the company goals were and what we were trying to achieve. We were in a process of really changing from a mom and pop kind of mentality to a small business where we have distributed decision making, and letting go of that is hard. Our program director walked me through that and held my hand, if you will, to make sure that we were doing distributed collaboration and we were assigning roles and responsibilities at the appropriate level to the benefit of the company. It was one of the key elements of the changes that we implemented here that taken us to where we need to go. The management by collaboration process, our team members really jumped in with both feet, and we're very, very excited about that.
Now we do have a little say-so in the process to where we can have jobs that fit the machines and we get them out in a timely manner. We're not tying jobs up or tying machines up so that we can still keep a cash flow going through the shop.
One of the challenges that we had organizationally was communication. We have 2 sites with independent management, and we have to coordinate work between those sites and work together. So one of the changes that our program director implemented was a management meeting with all the key employees, key contributors.
Everybody gets a chance to tell what's going on and ask for a need or a job or something they need to keep things moving smoothly.
It's a team effort like it should be. Everyone works together, and it is a complete turnaround from prior.
For me to understand where we're at organizationally, having the information distilled and boiled down to something that's actionable, but also having the employees accountable for their area and responsible for the overall performance of their function. Now that we can track that, we're more incentivized to find solutions to those issues to keep them from reoccurring. Prior
to Cogent being here, accounts receivable, we just pretty much printed off the list and followed up, trying to get a hold of the correct person to get payment arrangements.
One of the changes that Cogent implemented was a better system to allow us to track late payments more easily and report them better so that we can contact those customers and try to make sure that they're holding to the payment terms that they've agreed to. I think overall my favorite part of working with Cogent was just seeing the change within the organization, the improved morale and improved attitudes, and really getting us set to grow the company moving forward.
My Cogent experience has been great. I've learned a lot. I would recommend Cogent. I feel that they have the company's best interest at heart, and they do what is needed to be done.
My life here seems to be better. Like I say, everything's smoother, everybody's communicating. It took the stress out of the atmosphere.
I would highly recommend Cogent to other companies. As business owners or as managers, we all have blind spots in our organization. I'm very happy and excited to see the next chapter of Miami Machine and reap the rewards of the Cogent experience.